Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front with blind spot detection, and moving to the front here, we do get a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, blue accents, floor mats, cargo cubby hole, plenty of door space in the back. We get cup holders with this vehicle, 2 USB-Cs, and a lovely bench seat, which you can flip up for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 10 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer with lane centering and my view, trip economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, tons of storage with the blue accents. We do get tons of storage underneath with engine starts up, 12-volt USB-Cs and USB, volume, playback like forward, comm screen, hazards, max temp, and auto hold, storage below, and above with a nice big infotainment system with your climate controls at the bottom here, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, your settings, with your features of the vehicle, towing, owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA70985, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.